Hi class, welcome back to our English classroom. Today we will learn Unit 10, how much snow is there. Okay, as usual, first of all I will tell you about the objective of this study atau tujuan pembelajaran yang akan kita laksanakan pada lesson ini. We will talk about and identify countable and uncountable nouns, ask information questions using how much and how many, use determines any, lot of, little, and some. Okay, now these are the vocabularies that we will use in this lesson. Di situ ada snow, sand, dirt, ice, water, grass, tree, mountain, forest, and lake. Ya, jadi di lesson kita akan belajar mengenai sesuatu yang bisa dihitung dan tidak bisa dihitung. Nah, pola kalimatnya seperti apa? Di situ Memlia memberikan dua pola kalimat, yaitu yang pola kalimat pertama menggunakan pertanyaan atau kalimat tanya how much, dan yang kedua menggunakan pertanyaan atau kalimat tanya how many. Oke, kita lihat dulu yang pertama. How much blah 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 is there? There is, boleh kamu pilih a little, some, a lot of. Oke. Nah, bedanya apa? A little itu sedikit ya. Kalau some itu lumayan banyak, cukup banyak. A lot of itu sangat banyak. Nah, kalau misalnya kamu menjawab dalam bentuk negatif tuh ada not di situ kayak there isn't, maka jawabannya maka harus diikuti dengan kata any. Jadi there isn't any snow, there isn't any water, berarti nggak ada air di situ. There isn't any sand, berarti nggak ada pasir di situ ya. Nah, yang kedua menggunakan how many blah 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 are there. There are blah blah blah. Ada apa? How many. Nah, bedanya how much dan how many apa sih mem gitu. How much itu digunakan untuk benda yang tidak bisa dihitung atau uncountable noun. Sedangkan how many digunakan untuk yang bisa dihitung. Oke. Maka kalau how much selalu menggunakan is there. Kalau how many selalu menggunakan are there pertanyaannya. Oke. Maka jawabannya menjadi there are atau there is, tergantung berapa banyak. Kalau cuma satu kamu jawabnya menggunakan there is. Kalau lebih dari satu maka kamu menggunakan there are. There are apa? Nah, tapi kalau misalnya tidak ada sama sekali, itu berarti jawabannya negatif ya, bentuk negatif. Maka kamu sama dengan yang di atas menggunakan any. There aren't any trees. Misal there aren't any chairs, berarti nggak ada kursi, nggak ada pohon gitu ya. Nah, berikutnya adalah yang harus kamu ingat. Yang tadi Memlia katakan, how much digunakan untuk uncountable noun. Sedangkan how many digunakan untuk countable noun. Jadi how much itu untuk yang tidak bisa dihitung. Nah, contoh yang tidak bisa dihitung itu apa aja sih? Nah, itu water, snow, dirt, sand, apalagi? Pokoknya sesuatu yang kita nggak bisa menghitung air kan, ya. Kita tidak bisa menghitung jumlah salju, kita tidak bisa menghitung jumlah tanah, atau bahkan pasir kita juga nggak bisa hitung. Ya, udara kita nggak bisa hitung, itu jenis dari uncountable noun. Nah, kalau countable itu yang bisa kita hitung, pohon, gunung, danau, a lake, berarti danau cuma satu. Kalau misalnya kayak di Kelimutu danaunya ada 3, berarti 3 lakes, oke? Okay? Karena kenapa yang dihitung itu danaunya, bukan airnya. Kalau airnya kita nggak bisa hitung. Tapi kalau danaunya, tempatnya, danaunya itu kan tempatnya, nah itu kita bisa hitung. Apalagi misalnya bangku gitu ya, itu bisa kita hitung, mata, kaki, apa namanya, benda yang besar-besar itu kita bisa hitung. Oke? Okay? Now look at the example. Number 1, how much snow is there? There is a lot of snow, berarti di sana banyak salju ya. Mungkin dia ada di kutub utara, ya nggak? Kemudian yang kedua, how many trees are there? There are 4 trees, berarti ada 4 pohon. How much sand is there? There isn't any sand. Di sana tidak ada pasir, gitu ya. Next. Okay, now open your student book, page 72 until 77. We will start with listen and number.
Unit 10. How much snow is there?
Listen and number. Number 1.
Snow. Snow.
Number 2.
Water. Water.
Number 3.
Ice. Ice.
Number 4.
Grass. Grass.
Number 5.
Sand. Sand.
Number 6.
Dirt. Dirt.
Okay, now let's discuss the answer. What is number 1? Snow. Number 2? Water. Number 3? Ice. Number 4? Grass. Number 5? Sand. Number 6? Dirt. Nah, menurut kalian ice itu bisa dihitung atau tidak? Ice itu tidak bisa dihitung kecuali dia ice cube atau es batu ya. Jadi bukan ices tapi ice cubes. Jadi 2 ice cubes, 3 ice cubes, 1 ice cube. Oke, begitupun dengan grass, rumput. Kita tidak bisa menghitung rumput. There are a lot of grass ya in the field. Ya enggak? Oke, next.
Listen and write. How much sand is there?
There is a lot of sand.
How much water is there?
There is a lot of water.
How much ice is there?
There isn't any ice.
I will go get some.
Okay, after you listen to the track, now let's complete the conversation. How much sand is there? There's a lot of sand. How much blah 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 there? There is a lot of water. Nah, jawabannya apa tuh? How much water is there? How much ice is there? There isn't blah blah blah. I will go get some. There isn't any ice. Very good. Okay, after you listen to the track, we have already complete the dialogue. Now let's check the answer. Jadi kita beri tanda cek pada jawaban yang sesuai dengan dialog bacaan yang tadi sudah kita bahas ya. Okay, number 1, there is a lot of sand. Betul atau salah ya jawabannya? Betul ya, so you give check. Okay. Number 2, there isn't any water. Salah. Ya, berarti tidak usah diapa-apain ya anak-anak ya. Number 3, there is a lot of water. Benar atau salah? Benar ya. Number 4, there is a lot of ice. Oke, salah ya. Next. Now let's circle the answer. Number 1, look at the picture. Forest or lake? Okay, the answer is forest. Number 2, mountain or tree? Tree. Number 3, mountain or forest? Mountain. Number 4, lake or tree? Lake. Next, writing choose and write. Number 1, there aren't any apa picture-nya? Trees, ya. Number 2, there's some ice. Number 3, there's a lot of snow. The last one, number 4, there are 3 mountains. Next, writing, read, and write. Kita jawab bersama ya anak-anak ya. How blah 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 sand is blah blah blah. How much or how many? How much? How much sand is there? There blah 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 a little sand. There is a little sand. Number 2, how blah 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 lakes blah 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 there. How many lakes ya yang tadi Mem Lia bilang, lakes itu kita bisa hitung. How many lakes are there? And then the answer ada any, berarti jawabannya positif atau negatif? Negatif ya. There aren't any lakes. There aren't any lakes.
Listen and read. Into the forest. I like nature. I like going to the forest on weekends with my family. We like climbing the mountains in the forest. There are many trees and beautiful plants in the forest. There are a lot of animals living there too. We bring some fruit and bread for a snack. There is a big lake near the forest. Sometimes we go fishing there. There's a lot of fresh air and fresh water all around.
Okay, after you listen and read to the text, now let's read and circle the answer. Number 1, where does the boy like going? A, the forest, B, the park, C, the airport. The answer is A, the forest. Number 2, what does the family eat for a snack there? A, they eat fish for a snack. B, they eat plants for a snack. C, they eat fruit for a snack. So, which is the answer? C, they eat fruit for a snack. Next, read and write. Okay, let's complete the sentence. Number 1, there are many blah 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 and beautiful blah 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 in the forest. There are many trees and beautiful plants in the forest. Number 2, there's a lot of fresh blah 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 and blah 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 all around. There's a lot of fresh air and fresh water all around. Jadi udara segar dan air yang segar. Oke. Okay, class, so this is the end of my video. Thank you very much for watching my video, for joining my class today, and for studying with me. And don't forget to review again by watching this video again and again to help you study at home. And next week I will give you an exercise, so I want you to do the exercise and submit it to me on time. Okay, class, thank you very much for today. I'll see you next week. Bye.